Hi kids, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn some vegetable names. Okay, let's learn some color names. Pink color, purple color, yellow color, red color, orange color. Let's start the video kids. Cabbage. What is the spelling of cabbage? C-A-B-B A G E cabbage. Next, pumpkin. What is the spelling of pumpkin? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Next, onion. What is the spelling of onion? O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Mushroom. What is the spelling of mushroom? M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. This is mushroom. Artichoke. What is the spelling of this? A-R-T-I-C-H-O-K-E. Artichoke. Let's revise kids. Cabbage, pumpkin, onion, mushroom, artichoke. Okay kids, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Follow for more kids. Bye bye kids.